Hey there, I'm so excited that you're here, and in this video, I'm gonna be going over 11 different fashion trends that you should be reselling on online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. These are gonna give you really good ideas, not only of what to look for, but also ideas for keywords. Hey, I'm Lee Meyer, and I'm the founder of Listing of Freedom and the Empowered Reseller. And I help clothing resellers make more money without hustling harder. Let's get started. Now, knowing the right styles to sell, the right items to be selling, those fashion trends is one of the keys to be successful as a clothing reseller. In addition to the styles and the latest fashions, you also need to have an awareness of certain brands that sell better than others and certain brands that hold their value better than others. You can get the exact list of brands that I've sold to make over $100,000 from flipping used goods, and I've given you the link below this video. You'll find it in the description. You'll enter your information and I will get you that list instantly. But one of the cool things about being aware of fashions and the trends that are in style is that it actually will open up your ability to expand your horizons, expand the types of brands that you're selling, because when you're selling on-trend items, they're gonna be more likely to sell just off the fact that they are what is in style. So I've got 11 different styles and fashions that are trending right now. I'm going to save the best for last, so make sure that you go ahead and stick around to the end of the video. Before we jump into this first item, the first style, I'm gonna come out and say that I am not a fashionista in any way, shape, or form. And so I want to encourage you that if you're going, okay, I don't know what the latest trends are, it is okay. I made over $100,000 not knowing, just by learning. And so these trends are actually ones that I've gone and researched of what's currently selling, the styles that are in fashion right now. As a busy mom of 3 kids when I started and now 4 kids, I kind of don't have time to keep up with the latest styles, but I do for you and for my own business to be able to sell the things that people want. So let's get started. All right, number 11 is the style of hem. I'm seeing different variations on hems of both shirts as well as pants. And a couple of these types of hems that I'm talking about are called cinch hems, like this pair of pants, or bubble hems, like with this sweatshirt. You'll also see this bubble hem with dresses and longer length tunic tops. Next up on the list, number 10 is wide leg jeans and wide leg pants. Now you're also gonna find maybe the keyword ultra wide leg jeans, and I would reserve this for the widest leg jeans. And basically what's happened is jeggings, those jean legging skinny jeans, are gone. They have been long gone now, and the trend is the wider the better. Number 9 is splits on jeans, pants, and skirts. So let me show you this pair of pants. You could also call this maybe a hem style where the leg is split up the side. There's also skirts that are trending where the splits are very large and also wide, such as with this jean skirt. Number 8 is a general oversized look overall, and this can go for pants as well as tops like hoodies and sweaters. This oversized look, some other keywords that you could use for oversized would be slouchy or boxy or loose. Number 7 on the list is at the opposite end of the spectrum from oversized, and this is the tight-fitting crop top. This trend is a huge trend right now, or should I say a tiny trend right now. I just don't get it myself, but they are very popular. So that brings us to number 6, which is metallic and shiny materials. Now, silver right now is a huge trend, like this blazer. So you'll notice that it is an overall shiny look. It's not super glittery, it's not super over the top, but it does have that subtle shimmer to it. You're gonna find this in other fabrics as well with other colors where that shimmer, that shine is built in to the fabric itself, like with this top. Number 5 is what is called academia. Now this is a school look. There's gonna be a lot of plaids, a lot of collared shirts and layering, as well as skirts. Now there is both dark academia, which is darker colors like blacks and dark browns, navy blues. There's also light academia, which is gonna be your whites and creams and beiges. Number 4 is flare leg jeans and pants. And I'm so happy that this style is back in trend. This is very similar to that wide leg style where the bigger the flare is, the better it is. Number 3 is cable knit, and in particular, cable knit sweaters. Now this is very classic look. It is a look, a style that has been popular for quite some time, but it does seem to be trending upwards even more. It also goes really well with that academia look, so I would suggest using both cable knit for your keywords as well as academia. All right, so we've almost made it to that number 1 spot on the list, one of the most trending items out there. But before we get there, number 2 on the list, we cannot skip over because this is a huge, huge overall trend right now. And this trend has to do with the texture of fabrics. Items that have a textured material are super, super popular right now. And one of those most popular textures is ribbed or rib items. I've seen both rib and ribbed used in the keywords, and you'll find ribbing in shirts as well as pants and pretty much everything that you can think of. You'll see this trend popping up everywhere. Waffle knit is also another popular texture, as well as a new one to me that is apparently called marshmallow. Now it has kind of a fluffy, maybe marshmallow look. It looks a little too fluffy for me to eat, but this is what it looks like. And this is one of those textures that is trending right now. You'll also find what's called eyelash, and this is a little bit longer pile of fuzz or fur, whatever you want to call it. And it is one of those textures that people are looking for. They're looking to add that little bit of variety and spice to their closet. All right, the number 1 item on this list, I've held it back for the number 1 spot because this is a huge trend right now. And the reason why I love items like this, love trends like this, is it doesn't really matter what type of style it is. 6 years ago when I first started reselling, the thing trending was the maxi skirt. It's no longer trending, I'll just let you in on that little secret. But it meant that I was able to buy even maxi skirts from Walmart, like brands I would never buy, and they would sell for pretty much more money than they cost in the store. And so this number 1 style or trend to look for is the coverall. This is that really cute mechanic type of look, and particularly coveralls are going to be full length, down to the ankle as well as long sleeve. But my guess would be that you'll see this trend popping up in those shorter pants lengths as well as shorter arm lengths. Thanks so much for watching. And again, the link to grab my free brands list, these are the exact brands that I have sold to make over $100,000 flipping used clothes on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. You're gonna find the link for that resource in the description below this video. Thanks, and see you soon.